What is a linker? Explained in simple words. What does linker mean? A linker is a system program that combines different compiled parts of a program into one single executable file. It links together object files and libraries so the program can run properly. In simple words, linker equals program that joins compiled code pieces. It means a linker is a system software, works after the compiler, combines object files, connects library functions, creates final executable file. So, linker equals combine plus connect plus build program. Example idea. You write a program in two files. File 1, C. File 2, C. Compiler creates File 1, O. File 2, O. Linker joins them into program.x. This is linking. Why it matters. Without a linker, cross-mark separate program parts cannot be combined. Cross-mark library functions cannot be used. Cross-mark no executable file is created. Cross-mark large programs cannot be built. Cross-mark programs cannot run properly. With a linker, checkmark multiple files work together. Checkmark libraries can be used. Checkmark final program is created. Checkmark large programs are possible. Checkmark code becomes reusable. Real-life examples of linker usage. Linker is used in C and C++ programs, system software, operating systems, game engines, embedded systems, large applications. How a linker works. Step by step. You write source code. Down pointing arrow. Compiler converts to object files. Down pointing arrow. Linker combines object files. Down pointing arrow. Links library functions. Down pointing arrow. Creates executable file. Flow. Write means compile means link means run. Features of a linker. A linker combines multiple object files. Resolves function calls. Connects libraries. Produces executable. Supports static linking. Supports dynamic linking. It focuses on program building. Types of linking. Static linking. Library code copied into program. Larger executable. Runs without external libraries. Dynamic linking. Libraries linked at runtime. Smaller executable. Libraries shared. Types of tasks done using a linker. Linker is used for building large programs, combining modules, connecting libraries, creating executables, managing dependencies. Comparison with compiler. Compiler converts source code to object code, checks syntax errors, works on single files. Linker combines object files, resolves references, creates executable. So, compiler equals translate, linker equals connect. Common beginner mistakes. Beginners often forget to link files, get undefined reference errors, forget library files, confuse compiler and linker, think linker runs the program. These happen because linking connects all parts together. Good practices when using a linker. Checkmark organize files properly. Checkmark include required libraries. Checkmark fix undefined reference errors. Checkmark use correct linker options. Checkmark keep modules small. Real-life analogy. Linker is like a glue that joins parts. Pieces equals object files. Glue equals linker. Final toy equals executable program. So, linker equals glue for program parts. Important point. A linker builds the final program, connects code and libraries, works after compiler, is essential for compiled languages, makes large programs possible. Without a linker, crossmark no final program, crossmark no library usage, crossmark no multi-file programs, crossmark no executable files. Simple definition. Linker equals a system program that combines compiled object files and libraries into a single Executable program. Summary. Linker. Checkmark combines program parts. Checkmark connects libraries. Checkmark creates executable file. Checkmark supports large programs. Checkmark works with compiler. Without a linker, crossmark programs stay incomplete. Crossmark no executable output. Crossmark no library support. Crossmark no real software. With a linker, checkmark full programs are built. Checkmark code modules work together. Checkmark libraries are used. Checkmark software runs correctly. Checkmark computers can execute programs.